Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change phone number on iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down until you find phone. Here it is, and there you can easily find my number option. You can just tap on that, and now on that step you are able to set new number. You can just remove the existing number and then just start typing any number you want, and once you did that, just hit add save. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.